In this video, we will show you how to remove background noise in Wondershare Filmora video editor. When you already record a video, then you found your video have a background noise or the audio is not clear, you can using Wondershare Filmora video editor to edit your video and removing your background noise. Okay, in here for example, we have one video they already record, and in the video there is background noise with the audio not clear. Okay, the easiest way is we need to import first our video, and I will play once to you to see how the video or the audio looks like. After the import, we can make this. Okay, and let's play our original video. In this video, we will show you how to enable PID view on Task Manager in Windows 11. You can see our video have a background noise. Okay, to remove this on Wondershare Filmora video editor, we can just right click and select adjust audio. Okay, in here I'm using the Wondershare Filmora video editor, this version 14.5.20. Okay, because this is I think the best Wondershare Filmora the edition, because it is fast and not too many AI features. You can get this version if you want, the link on pinned comments. Okay, after you have this Wondershare Filmora video editor version, okay, I will repeat again. Right click on the video and select adjust audio, and you can see you can scroll down here and there is option to AI voice enhancer. You can see you can just click this and you can click OK. After that, later we can just make sure or make adjustment to get the best result for our video. But let's just click OK after we enable this, and let's play again our video. In this video, we will show you how to enable PID view on Task Manager in Windows 11. Okay, I think it's better, but in here actually you can adjust to make the video is the best for you. After you right click and select audio, okay, you can just select voice clarity here. For example, you can adjust the value until 90, and you can also using wind removal and also activate normal the noise here. But in here, in this case, I just adding the value of voice clarity and click OK. Okay, it is better. In this video, we will show you how to enable PID view on Task Manager in Windows 11. Okay, that's all. How you can remove noise from the video using Wondershare Filmora video editor. It's very easy and it's fast on the version 14.5.20, and on the newest version maybe it slowly because the AI voice enhancer is maybe using different method. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.